tablespoon of baking soda, lemon juice, mix it well. Take 6 tablespoons of vinegar. Take 3 tablespoons vim liquid. Finally, dishwash liquid is ready to use. Soap base, Dettol, glycerin, food color, 1 bowl, water, spoon, 1 spoon. Take soap base in the bowl. Take 4 tablespoons glycerin. Take 2 tablespoons Dettol. Mix it well. Finally, our hand wash is ready to use. Steel utensil, alum powder, baking soda, camphor powder, 500 ml water, 200 ml water, 1 bowl vinegar. Take 500 ml water and pour it. Then 200 ml water, pour it. Take 3 tablespoons of alum powder
and
mix it well. Now add 3 tablespoons baking soda, camphor powder. Now take 3 tablespoons of vinegar.
bus.
Now floor cleaner is ready to use.